Welcome to our journey through the incredible world of ferns, a widely diverse group of plants with an amazing history.
Our first stop brings us to the fact that ferns have been on Earth for more than 360 million years, even before dinosaurs. Indeed, ferns once dominated the planet during the Carboniferous period. A quick stroll here would look like a fern-based jungle. Ferns reproduce through spores, not seeds, which makes them different from flowering plants. Spores are usually located under the fern leaves or fronds in clusters named sori.
There's an intricate life cycle involving two different plants, the fern you see and a tiny intermediate plant.
There are an astonishing 12,000 known species of ferns worldwide.
The water fern is the only type of fern that floats and can rapidly cover the surface of a pond or lake.
Ferns need moisture and shade to grow. Some ferns are epiphytes, growing on other plants for support, not nutrients.
Did you know the Victorians held a great fascination for ferns, so much so that fern motifs were common in art, architecture, and fashion?
A fern's growth pattern, called circinate vernation, where the fronds unroll from a coiled position, is a unique characteristic to ferns. Ferns have numerous medicinal properties and have been used for many remedies.
Taking a close look, fern leaves are divided into leaflets or pinnae, giving ferns their characteristic feather-like appearance.
In many cultures, ferns symbolize sincerity, magic, fascination, confidence, shelter, discretion, and reverie. Contrary to popular belief, not all ferns are green. They can also be red, white, or even blue.
Ferns also aid in improving air quality. They remove toxins from the air, making them excellent indoor plants. Some fern species, as shown by NASA research, are excellent at removing formaldehyde from indoor environments.
The royal fern is so called because of its large, majestic fronds. It's also one of the oldest species of ferns in existence.
Some ferns are known to root down to 1 meter, while tree ferns can soar up to 20 meters high.
Fronds of the fiddlehead fern are harvested for food, but beware, other ferns can be toxic to humans and pets.
From ancient times, ferns have been used as a source of food, used in ceremonies, as gardening decor, and even in art.
Did you know, in certain myths and legends, fern seeds were believed to make you invisible if you held them in your mouth?
One fern, the bracken, is considered the world's most common fern, growing on every continent except Antarctica.
Ferns have been found to help in soil erosion control. Their root system can help stabilize loose soil.
Some fern species have a symbiotic relationship with blue-green algae, which helps in nitrogen fixation. You may have seen resurrections ferns. They're a type of fern that can survive long periods of drought by curling up and appearing dead.
Once watered, however, the resurrection ferns will return to its green, flourishing state in just a few hours.
Ferns, being primitive plants, don't produce flowers or fruit, ever.
So, next time you take a walk in a forest, remember, those humble ferns underfoot might be older than the tallest trees around you.
Hopefully, these rare and diverse qualities of ferns have left you more intrigued about these ancient beauties.
Thank you for joining us on this fascinating journey through the world of ferns. Until next time, keep exploring.